traffic. It's 1 hour. We are 1 hour here in this trip. 1 hour. It takes 30 minutes only. Now it's 1 hour. Double. Only 30 minutes. No more traffic. No more traffic, you know. It's 18:35. No more. Yan. Wala na traffic. As I said, only 1 hour traffic. 18:30. See? You see? You see? You see?